Okay, so this is an introduction to Brain Teaser Bingo. And so every student is going to get one of these bingo cards. It says bingo on the top. And each of these squares is a puzzle. And so you are going to try to figure out what does the puzzle mean. So let me go through an example of one of these puzzles. I'm going to look at this box. So this box has the word 0, and then it says PhD, MD, BA. And trying to kind of see a pattern here. What do things have in common? This is a doctorate in philosophy. This is a medical degree, and Bachelor of Arts, that's a bachelor's degree. So these are all degrees. And so I can make a little note here with your whiteboard marker. And there's actually 3 degrees. And so there are 3 degrees below the word 0. And so that's what this one is. 3 degrees below 0 is the answer to this one. That's a phrase. And so each one of these boxes contains some kind of a phrase. It's not just a random pairing of words, but it's some kind of a phrase or idiom that you may be familiar with. And so your initial task is going to be to individually try to figure out what each of these boxes are. Now, every student has their own individual bingo card, so they're unique in terms of the order, in terms of the kinds of puzzles. So you're going to start off just by doing this individually and just trying to problem solve on your own. And then after a little bit of time, you will get a chance to pair up with somebody and kind of team up, collaborate, try to get help from each other. And so you can see the power of teamwork in trying to problem solve. If you make a mistake, you should have just a napkin that you could easily wipe your answer or your mistake with. So after a little bit of time of working with a teammate, we are, as a class, going to play bingo. And so your instructor will call out a solution. And so if your instructor calls out the solution 3 degrees below 0, you would, I got that one, and you would cross that off. That's, one part of your bingo card. And actually, you may have it where you have that twice. You'd actually get to cross that off twice. So as a class, we will play bingo, and your teacher will call out the solution, and you're to cross out the correct box, okay?